Hi guys, my name is Dhanashri. Today I will explain another example of KNN algorithm. The dataset name is Titanic Machine Learning. Titanic case studies probably is the one of the most popular practice for anyone to get into machine learning world. There are different ways to predict the model using KNN algorithm. I will explain how to predict data. 2 seconds guys, I will open Jupyter Notebook file. Yeah, data. First command is that all the how to read data from our drive. First we have to import our libraries. First one is Matplotlib inline, import Panda as PD, import NumPy as NP. Titanic survival data create an object. You have to read pd.read CSV file from our drive. From F drive to Python ML dataset classification and dataset name is here. Titanic survival data.csv. Then another next command is how to read data. You have to write a command info to Titanic survival data.head. This command is gives the first five defaulter numbers from 0 to 4. Having there are column attributes name is passenger ID, survival, passenger class, name, sex, age, SID, SP, patch, ticket, fare, cabin, and embark. Then another next command is how to get information of Titanic survival data. Into this command gives us the total number of rows and columns, how many numbers are entered here, how many rows and columns are here from 0 to 890. That is 891 entries are here in our data set and total number of columns. Here 12 columns are into our data set. Column names are here passenger ID, survivor, passenger class, name, age, and their data types like integer 64, float 64, name having object data type is gives us the string value of our column. Another next command is how to distribute our data from numeric features using histogram. Here we use the histogram to our represent the data into distribution form. You write the command here Titanic survival data dot hister in bracket passing the parameter is h. Is you see the output is here using histogram command. Then next command is how to predict our data, how to pre-processing our data. Using import pre-processing file, we have to pre-process our data. Step 1. Deleting those columns which are not useful in predicting analysis. That is, does not accepted any zero values. You have to remove these columns from our data set. Like name, ticket, cabin, passenger ID. This column also does not require for the predictive analysis. Titanic survival equal to Titanic survival dot. Using drop delete column command, you have to delete these columns. See the output is here using Titanic survival dot head command. You see that the survival ID, passenger class, age, SIBSP class, patch, and fare embark. These columns are display overheads. From using from head command, you display 0 to 4 rows here. Another next command gives us info. That is, it gives the infos of this rows and column. How many classes here, how many entries are here to display overhead. Another next command is printing column name. Using print, we enter the Titanic survival data dot columns. We display overhead the attribute or column name from our data set. Another next command is import OS, import matlab.lib.pl plot as plot object. We create as a plot object instead of matlab lib. Column for analysis, we passing the column name overheads, survivor ID, passenger class, X age, and SIV class, fare, embarked. PD dot plotting the scatter matrix in bracket passing data name. For column analysis, passing the figure size here 50, 10 marked as a dot. Plotting scatter plot for every variable as well as every other variable. So saving the plot in the current working directory as the images give us the images Titanic survivor scatter.png image. Overhead we display the categorical variable in scattered form. Since the scatter plot can be only done, it gives the output is scatter plot is here. Another next command is checking the missing values for each column. It does not accept at any zero. We have to write the command Titanic survival data dot is null dot sum. It gives the output is survival equal to 0, passenger class equal to 0, sex equal to 0, age is 177, SIBSP equal to 0, patch equal to 0, fare equal to 0, embark equal to 2, and having data type is integer 64 bytes. Another next command is remove those rows where all the values are missing. Using the drop NA is command used for this data set is called Titanic survival data equal to Titanic survival data drop NA axis 0 how in passing the all. Removing the columns where all values are missing. The next command is used for the interplotting or missing values or presenting the values of survivor. Using the Titanic survival data, passing parameter is age equal to Titanic survival data dot interplot the data. We represent the here interplotting the missing values using all data to represent the values. We display here the output of that our data set. Creating one hot encoding for categorical columns using dummies function get dummies function usually here for the value getting from 0 to 1. You have to predict our data or split our data into 70% for training the model and 30% for the testing model using libraries import model selection to import split data here. Splitting training testing data set, you have to create another 4 objects. Extend data, extend y-train data y-test equal to train test split, passing the parameter x tester, y tester, test size is 0.3, random state equal to 10. You have to predict our columns, passing the column name here, passenger class, age, patch, fares, sex male, female, embark class, embark queue, S. And target variable is our class name is survived. From sklearn model selection, we import the train tester split file and create another 4 objectives extend, xtest, ytrain, ytest. From sklearn, we create a KNN model from sklearn import dataset. From sklearn import matrix. From sklearn neighbors equal to import kneighbor classifier. We have to calculate value of k. We consider the point n neighbors equal to 1. Create CLP object equal to k neighbors classifier equal to passing parameter n neighbors equal to 1. Print the value of k. Using fit transform method, you have to calculate the prediction of this data Using KNN, prediction equal to from sklearn in how to import matrix, confusion matrix and classification report. You have to check our model, how to predict our model into there. See the output is here for there is a precision call, recall, F1 square and support. You have to check the accuracy of the model is given as 0.68 and how percentage our data is misclassified here is that 0.53. Support from 94 data set is equal to gives us the misclassified data and 0 is gives the and 74 is gives the correctly classified data. You have to check the overhead cross-validation function. 131 and 50 are correctly classified data into our data frame and 44 and 43 are misclassified data set into our data frame. Lastly, you have to check the accuracy of the model, how percentage accurate of model provide us. From sklearn.matrix import accuracy score, print accuracy score in bracket, passing the parameter y-test and prediction. You have to check here overhead output is 0.675, that is 0.68 accuracy. Provide us to predict our Titanic survival data. That's it, guys. Another KNN stores the entire training dataset which it uses at its representation. KNN does not learn any model. KNN makes prediction just in time by calculating the similarity between an input sample and each training instance. There are many distance measures to choose from to match structure of input data. That is good idea to rescale your data such as using the KNN algorithm. Thank you guys.